Also, ACEs, so adverse childhood experiences, and also trauma. Now, some children might experience something quite adverse and recover really quickly because of the support around them and it meets their needs. Other children might not have that support or they might not have the right support for them. And it's by no means an attack on any caregiver. It just means that it's not quite the right fit to help them recover from something negative that's happened to them. And inevitably, it can cause quite complex trauma. But also sensory issues can cause anxiety. There are so many things, and it could be all of these things. So if you have a child perhaps who's autistic with sensory processing difficulties and maybe some speech and language difficulties, and all of these go hand in hand, then it's no wonder that they are feeling anxious. Um, and so it's really, really important that we help